Hi everyone, Nishka here from Eureka Crystal Beads with another fun unboxing for you today. But before I get started, go ahead and check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you always know when we're posting new content. Alright, so I am back with another fun unboxing. We have another beautiful collection for December. So let's take a look and see what's inside. All right. So cute. Our beautiful tissue paper as always. Ooh, I am seeing some really nice neutrals. All right, what are we playing with? Oh, so peaceful. Look at this. This is so zen. I love the shape of these stones, and I love this color palette. Wow. This is going to be a great collection with these colors pulled out. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look and see what is in here. I'm seeing like a ton of seed beads. Ooh, sparkly. Oh my gosh, so much stuff. Keep going, it keeps still going. Oh my god, amazing. Ah! Alright, let me get organized. I'm going to go through all of these things one at a time with you so you can see exactly what is in the collection. Okay, so we have our gorgeous image for inspiration. And then we have our paragraph that sort of sets the mood. It's calming, it's harmonious, just relaxing. Exactly what's needed this time of year, I think, right? So nice. And then inside, as always, we have our list of products and the name. So it's our Harmony collection, which, yeah, I see it. I mean, all of these colors are very harmonious, relaxing, and just really beautiful. And we have our whole list of everything. So seed beads, Czech glass, Krakovski crystal, elite crystal, Chinese crystal, and findings. And look, there's just so many Gleam Craft findings here, which is like one of my favorite brand offerings that's exclusive to Eureka. And here is the SKU number for each item. So as always, you can type in this SKU on the search bar at eurekacrystalbeads.com and you will find the exact item. So if you really like one of these, you can get more and restock your supplies, and let's go through it one at a time. Okay, so to start with seed beads, we actually have a whopping 9 different seed beads in this collection. This time around they are in little baggies so that we could have more options for you that you could try out, play around with, and you could always get more by shopping online and getting a full tube or even larger. We have a wholesale option now, so definitely check that out. You can apply for a wholesale account and get some of our products at a pretty big discount. So the first here is a Miyuki round in 15-0 size, and I really love this sort of like matte, medium brown, beigey color. It's so nice. It's so neutral. It will go with everything. It's really great bead to have around. Okay, the next one we have a creamy color. This is also a Miyuki 15-0 round. And if you can see, I don't know if you can see this on camera closely, but it's got a rainbow effect on it. It's like a very subtle rainbowy finish that gives it a little more interest in these beads here. Again, very, very versatile color here that you're gonna use. Basically, you can use this all year round in every color. This collection in general is going to be like a very accessible collection in terms of color. Okay, the third one here, these are Miyuki rounds, but this is an 11-0. Now we're getting into a little bit bigger, as you can see here, and this is a crystal bead. So the color is just clear crystal, but there is a lining on the inside of the hole that gives this like vaguely metallic, almost like very light, almost purpley gray effect, which I really like. Very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, next, so we're on to number 4, which is also an 11-0. These are all 5-gram bags, by the way, the ones that we've done so far. And here we have also a Miyuki round in 11-0, and this is a nice, beautiful medium gray. I would say it's like a warm gray. It doesn't have this like coolness about it, and I really like this color, and I like how it's got this matte finish on it. All right, after that, number 5, we're getting even bigger. This is an 8-0, and this is a Miyuki round as well, and this is also a 5-gram bag. And this is going to be the same color as this one, with also the rainbow finish on it. So you have 2 sizes of the same color to work with. All right, and next, number 6, we also have an 8-0 Miyuki round, and again, this is this like matte, neutral, beautiful color. I really love matte beads. It's like a thing. I don't know why. I find them, they look classic and also like kind of rich. I don't know how to describe it, but I just find them so beautiful. It has this like luxury feel to me. Do you feel that way too, or is it just me? Am I totally random? Okay, so and then next we have, actually you can already see from the way it's sparkling that we're coming up on a new shape. So this is a Delica. This is an 11-0 Delica from Miyuki, and you can just see, you know, these are cylindrical shaped beads. They are like little tubes, and you can see that squareness come through. And this is a gray color, like a translucent gray glass bead. And then we have this rainbow finish on top, which is really beautiful. And it gives you such a nice effect. You can just see it's like glowing. Love it so much. Okay, and after that, we also have another Delica. And this is like a pale copper or somewhere between gold and copper. Warm, beautiful color. And it is 11-0 Delica. You have that same cylindrical shape. You can see it really well here. And this color is just absolutely gorgeous. It's brushed, sort of looking matte, metallic, and just stunning. Both of the Delicas, this one and the previous one, the bags are a different size, but it's the same amount in each bag. These are 4-gram bags of Delicas. And last but not least, we have an assorted Toho mix. So it was all Miyukis until this last bag. And here we have a bunch of Tohos, and it looks like what you're getting in here is some treasures, which are the Toho equivalent of Delicas, a cylindrical bead. We've got some bugles in here. We have, it looks like 15 O's in round, and also larger 8 O's, maybe even larger. No, I think these are 8 O's. But yeah, this is a nice, pretty mix with the grays and creams. And a little bit of, looks like there's a little bit of silver-lined crystal going on in here too. So there you go. So that is your seed bead selection. So we got seed beaders in our audience. This is going to be a fantastic collection. And for those of you who don't use seed beads very much, but you need a little bit here and there, this is also like kind of a great sampler pack. There's a lot of options here, a lot of colors, a lot of little bits and pieces. So this is a collection for you. Next up, we are going to do the Czech glass. All right, so we have Druck beads, and we have fire polish beads, and we have 2-hole beads. So it's like one of each of the most popular Czech glass selections. So a strand of the Druck beads. These are pressed glass round beads. And this is like a really nice sort of metallic, brownish, grayish color. It's really nice neutral, sort of beige to play with. And it's a strand of 50, and this is a 6mm bead. Next is the fire polish. These are 4mm beads, and this is like a metallic. So this is kind of a hazelnut. It's a nice metallic brown, medium brown with some yellow, some warm tones to it. And finally, a tube of gem duos, and these are just straight up beautiful, like a metallic brushed gold. And the gem duos is like one of the more popular shapes of the 2-hole beads. I'll show you what the shape is. It's like, as you would expect a gem shape to be. It's got a flat side, and it's got a little domed side and parallel holes, so you can get real creative with the gem duos. All right, so next up we have our crystals. It's not a Eureka collection without crystals. And this is an assorted pack of different shapes and sizes of Krakovski crystals. So as you know, we carry these accent mixes, and you can often find them in so many unique and interesting combinations. Some of them are limited edition, some of them are seasonal. And here we have one that we made to go with the color scheme here. So you have 12 different stones in here. We've got some chatons, we have rivolis in 2 sizes, and also these really beautiful cushion cuts. And you can just see how sparkly they are, and how nice the backing finish is. You can see all these beautiful cuts and facets, so definitely going to be fun to play around with these in this like beautiful medium gray color. Also have elite, but it's not elite crystal stones in this collection. It is a sorted mix of elite crystal pearls, and this is sort of a kind of a new item that we've started adding, so you can be one of the first to test it out in this collection with our unusually shaped pearl beads here, and also a variety of different sizes and colors here, all of them going with this vibe. And then these sort of these like flattened, almost coin shaped pearls. So this these elite pearls, these are the highest quality crystal pearls that you can get on the market. These are coated in layers and layers of this pearlescent coating, so they are a super high quality, and they have a crystal core, and they have a wonderful weight to them. They don't feel like imitation at all. They take on the warmth of your skin, so they are really, really excellent, top-notch imitation pearls that you are just going to love working with. Okay, our last strand of beads before we get to the findings is this really pretty color gradient. You can see like each of the beads has a slightly different look to it. Altogether, it looks really pretty. These are the Chinese rondelles, and yeah, we have this nice beigey, sandy kind of look here. So, and of course, like super sparkly. The Chinese crystals always extra sparkle to add to your projects. So pretty. And finally, we just decided we're gonna throw in a bunch more stuff into the collection as a bonus. And these are our Gleam Craft findings. So here is a selection of what you will be getting. We have these toggle clasps, 2 different colors. We have jump rings. We have a beautiful drop charm, 2 of them actually, like a hammered look to it. We have these earring posts, and we have them in 2 colors also. So you're getting the gold and the silver. We have this beautiful irregular connector, just so cool and unique, very like organic looking, to go with this sort of beachy, natural vibe that we've got here. And just to add even more, we've added a symbol ending, a cute little one, and also some head pins, just so you have them. And you can work on a bunch of projects just to start with, just with these findings and all of the beads and stones you see in front of you. So yeah, here we are. This is the collection. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. We'll do our best to answer everyone. And yeah, any other questions, comments, concerns, please don't hesitate. We love hearing from you, and we want to know what you all think. So what do you think about the Harmony collection for December 2024? Is it a good way to end the year? Did you like our other collections this year more? We had a lot of different styles, a lot of different colors this year. So we wanted to end on like a very neutral palette that everyone could enjoy, and would be also make a really excellent gift, especially if you don't know someone's particular preferences when it comes to color. You can give them something neutral and beautiful that they can use with basically any color palette. So lots of seed beads and lots of findings, which is what every beader really needs in their stash, without too many like out there shapes for someone who might not know how to use them. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.